Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Box, and today we are going to target a problem where we're going to find out the second largest number and the largest number from a list of integers in Python. So yeah, let's get started on this particular problem. So we'll have like two approaches basically. So first approach would be just to convert this string or list to a set, and then so that we can remove the duplicates here, and then we can go for negative indexing by sorting it first and converting it to list, and then we can go for negative indexing here. The second approach would be approach number two would be that we're going to work on today. So here we're going to assign or initialize two variables, large and the second large. So we're going to assign a or assign values to it uh, as negative infinite. So same, we are going to copy and paste it here. So those two variables will have the values. So now we are going to iterate in this particular situation where we are going to get access each and every element of this particular list, and then we are going to compare this list with our second largest and largest numbers. So suppose the value which we are getting from this particular iteration I is greater than our large number, right? So what we're going to do in this condition? So here, if our large is greater than large, so I should be our large number, right? So yeah, so by getting large number, we can assign the value of I to large, but first we need to consider second large because second large will be the immediate next of the large, right? So first we need to assign this particular value of large to second large, and then we can set the value of large to I. So this condition will, I think, will get our approach like by it kinds of swapping done here. So the second conditions will be where our I is lesser than large, and I guess, and it is greater than our second large. In that condition, what we are going to do is we are going to assign a value of second large to I, or I to second large. So I suppose this should done the our target and our goals in this particular code to get the values of large and second large. So let's run this code. Yeah, we are getting the values for largest and the second largest number here. So if you can see, if I'm going to explain this particular code here. So first, suppose we are getting I. So I is greater than uh, our large and second large number, right? So that condition, if it is large, it is greater than large, right? So we are going to assign the large value to second large, and the large value will be I. So our I will be 1, and our second large value would be the large value, the previous large value we can say. So that is negative infinity. So we are going, and then we are going to the next number. So here if the next number is 5, right? So it is greater than our negative infinity and 1, right? So our large value will be 5 and our second large value will be 1. And then we're going to 6. So 6 is larger than both of them. So our second large value will be 5 again, and our large value will be 6. And again, the next 6 comes up. So this 6 is not going to enter this condition or this condition because it is duplicate. And we have the large value as 6 already. So it is not greater than 6. It is not condition, both of this condition. So we are continuing with 10. So 10 will come up. Right? This is greater than both of them, 5 and 6. So here we'll do a swap again. So the second large value will be our large value. So that is 6. And our large value would be 10. That is I. Again, we have the large value 10, right? So now again the 10 comes up. And so this is obviously the same thing happened here. So it is not going to enter this condition. So now 12 comes in. So 12 is going to enter this particular iteration and check the conditions. If it is greater than 6 and 10, okay, yeah, it is greater than 6 and 10. So it is going to, we are going to do a swap here again, and then it would be this one. Then we're going to again 12, right? So 12 is already there. So it is not going to enter this particular conditional. And then we're going for 7. So 7 is not going to enter either of these conditions here. You can see. And here it is greater than large, right? So 7 is not greater than large actually. So it is not going to enter here either, not here. So nothing is done on this operation. And then goes for 7 and 8 and 9 likewise. So the last output will be 10 and 12 here for this particular. So yeah, that was the problems uh, you can say. And let's modify some of the outputs here. So let's suppose after 6, we're getting a value which is uh, smaller than this and and greater than our second large. So that can be, let's give it 4 here and then it can be 5. So that this condition also checks in. So let's run this again here. So now if you see 1 enters here, right? So our largest value will be 1 and then it will be negative infinity for the first iteration. Now 4 comes in. So 4 is greater than both of them. So it will be 4 and then this will be 1, I guess. And then it comes as like 4 and 6. So 6 is there, right? So 6 is greater than both of them. So 4 will be here and 6 will be the largest number. And then it comes in 5. So 5 is greater than, now 5 is greater than second largest and smaller than largest. So this condition is getting satisfied. So our second largest value would be 5. Yeah. So this will go delete. So 5 and 6. Again 6 is there. So second largest is 6. Sorry, second largest 5 and 6 is the next digit that we are going. So 6 is already large, right? So it is not greater than large, so it won't go again continue. Same, then the same iteration goes on. So this was the let me run it again. Yeah. So that was it. If you like the video and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so whenever I post a new video so you will get notified. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you.